Welcome to Review Rumble. The best dirt trap is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any car enthusiast looking to achieve a truly pristine finish, as it acts as a crucial barrier between the dirt and grime washed off your vehicle and your clean wash mitt, preventing those nasty swirl marks and scratches that can ruin your paintwork over time, ensuring your car looks showroom ready after every wash. Number 5. Chemical Guys Chenille Premium Microfiber Wash Mitt. Introducing our premium wash mitt, designed for a scratch-free and swirl-free car wash. Its ultra-soft microfiber gently lifts dirt for a pristine finish. This wash mitt is safe for all automotive paint finishes, glass, chrome, and plastic. Its gentle fibers protect your vehicle's surfaces during every wash. Experience superior lubrication with our wash mitt's ability to hold maximum suds and water. This ensures a safer and more efficient cleaning process. Designed for comfort and control, it features an elastic cuff that keeps the mitt snug on your hand. This allows for better maneuverability and reduced fatigue. Built to last, this wash mitt is machine washable and reusable. Enjoy long-lasting performance for all your detailing needs. Perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats. It's also great for cleaning household surfaces and delicate finishes. What we like. This wash mitt is designed for ultimate softness and superior dirt trapping. Its dense microfiber noodles soak up more soap and water, providing excellent lubrication. If you are looking for a wash mitt that ensures a swirl-free finish and maximum cleaning power, this is the one for you. What people say. This Chenille wash mitt is top quality, super soft, holds plenty of soap and water, and glides smoothly over the surface without scratching. The chenille fibers are incredibly soft, so I don't have to worry about scratching or swirls while cleaning. My paint feels smooth afterward, and it really lifts dirt without needing too much pressure. The mitt absorbed a substantial amount of soapy water, allowing me to cover large sections of the car without frequent trips to the bucket. The microfiber strands effectively lifted dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free finish. Number 4. Chemical Guys Cyclone Dirt Trap Bucket Insert. Introducing the Cyclone Dirt Trap, an innovative bucket insert designed to keep your wash water clean. It effectively traps dirt and debris at the bottom, preventing scratches. Featuring unique scrubbing cones, it cleans your wash mitt as you go. This helps reduce swirl marks and keeps your delicate finishes looking pristine. Keep abrasive particles away from your mitts and brushes. This significantly lowers the risk of scratches, swirls, and imperfections during your wash. Designed to fit most standard 12-inch diameter car wash buckets. It's the perfect upgrade for your 3.5 to 5-gallon bucket setup. Ideal for washing cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs, ensure a safe and scratch-free cleaning experience for all your vehicles. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic, this tool is built for long-lasting performance. It's a reliable addition for enthusiasts and professionals alike. What we like. This innovative bucket insert is engineered to keep your wash water clean by trapping dirt and debris at the bottom. The unique scrubbing cones help to remove grit from your wash mitt. If you are concerned about preventing scratches and swirl marks on your vehicle's paint, this dirt trap is an essential addition to your car wash routine. What people say. The Dirt Trap Car Wash Bucket Insert effectively separates dirt and grit from your wash mitt, preventing scratches and swirl marks. Its unique grid design traps debris at the bottom of the bucket, keeping your wash water clean throughout the entire washing process. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining your vehicle's paintwork. Number 3. Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. Introducing the Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Kit. It's everything you need for a professional car wash right at home. Our foam cannon attaches to your pressure washer, creating thick suds that lift away dirt and grime. This ensures a scratch-free clean every time. This kit includes 6 powerful yet gentle cleaning chemicals. They are perfect for washing, cleaning wheels, and protecting every part of your vehicle. We've included a bucket with a grit guard, a soft wash mitt, microfiber drying towels, a detailing brush, and applicators. Washing, drying, and detailing have never been easier. The pH-balanced formulas and soft microfiber tools are safe for all your vehicle's surfaces. Get that showroom shine without any damage. This versatile kit isn't just for cars. It's perfect for cleaning and shining boats, RVs, motorcycles, and other vehicles too. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for a professional car wash at home. It includes a foam cannon for thick suds, a variety of premium cleaning chemicals, and all the essential tools like a bucket and wash mitt. If you're a beginner or an enthusiast looking for an all-in-one solution to achieve showroom results, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The foam gun effortlessly creates thick, luxurious foam that clings to the car's surface, effectively loosening dirt and grime for a safer and more thorough wash. The grit guard insert helps trap dirt and debris at the bottom of the bucket, preventing them from being transferred back onto the car. Melted mud dirt coating right off with minimal hand scrubbing. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Cyclone Dirt Trap Wash Bucket Insert. Introducing the Cyclone Dirt Trap, a revolutionary car wash filter designed to protect your vehicle's paint. Its unique cyclonic funnels trap dirt and debris, ensuring a scratch-free wash every time. This innovative insert acts as a one-way valve, trapping abrasive particles beneath the filter. Keep your wash water clean and prevent scratches from damaging your paintwork. Crafted from durable materials, this wash bucket insert is built to last. It's easily cleaned and reusable, offering a cost-effective solution for maintaining your car's pristine condition. This must-have tool for car enthusiasts effectively traps dirt and grit. Prevent scratches during the washing process and achieve a superior clean for your vehicle. Join the community of car lovers who trust Chemical Guys for premium car care products. Experience the difference with our world-class support and extensive detailing knowledge. What we like. Featuring nearly 300 cyclonic funnels, this dirt trap acts as a one-way valve to ensure dirt stays at the bottom of your bucket. Its ridged design aids in cleaning your wash mitt effectively. If you want the ultimate protection against abrasive particles and desire a truly scratch-free wash, this is the go-to detailing tool. What people say. The traps are designed to keep dirt and debris at the bottom of the bucket, and they do their job well. This helps prevent any grime from getting back onto my wash mitt, which is important for avoiding scratches on the paint. Does a great job separating the dirt and debris when washing car. I use the 2-bucket wash with Chemical Guy's hand mitt, and it's crazy when I lift up screen and see all the stuff under it that before I was just letting my sponge or mitt sit in. The Chemical Guy's Dirt Trap 02 Cyclone Dirt Trap Car Wash Bucket Insert has proven to be a valuable addition to my car washing routine. This innovative product effectively removes dirt and debris, enhancing the overall cleanliness of my vehicle. Number 1. Chemical Guy's Creeper Rolling Bucket Dolly. Tired of dragging your wash bucket around? Meet the ultimate solution that turns your bucket into a mobile detailing station. It makes moving around your vehicle a breeze. Built with tough, reinforced plastic, this dolly is designed to withstand the weight of a full bucket. You can rely on its strength for any detailing job. This versatile cart securely holds most standard 3.5 to 7.5 gallon buckets. It's perfect for your favorite wash buckets, ensuring a snug fit every time. Navigate around cars, trucks, and motorcycles effortlessly. Its 5 caster wheels offer smooth 360-degree rotation for ultimate convenience during washes. Need to keep it in place. 2 of the wheels lock securely, providing stability when you need it most. No more unwanted rolling. Keep your supplies within reach and reduce strain. This tool makes washing, rinsing, and detailing more efficient and comfortable. Join enthusiasts and professionals worldwide who trust this tool. It's designed to make your car washing experience easier and more effective. What we like. Transform your wash bucket into a mobile detailing station with this heavy-duty rolling dolly. Its 5 360-degree caster wheels allow for smooth movement around your vehicle, and 2 locking wheels provide stability. If you want to reduce lifting and carrying, and enhance efficiency during your car washes, this rolling bucket dolly is a must-have for convenience and ergonomics. What people say. It feels very sturdy and has no problem holding a full 5-gallon bucket of water. The wheels roll smoothly on my garage and driveway. It has the best wheels by far, professional quality. They are soft but durable and won't mess up your floor. The wheel hardware is tough industrial-grade metal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.